Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm putting up a video after a very long time because I'm trying to make some changes on my hair. So I thought, well, let's just record it. So guys, because I'm chopping my hair, I cannot do it in this top. So we'll go ahead and change this up in a transition. So do 1, 2 and so let's get started. So guys, for starters, I'm going to go ahead and cut my hair a little bit by myself.
Oh my god.
So this is the length of my hair and this is the one that I've chopped. So guys, it's the day 2 of me going ahead and coloring my hair. So guys, I've gone ahead and got the Streax professional hair color in the shade Wonder Blue. This is how the tube looks and this is just a simple packaging and it says hold and play here, and yes, it retails for 450 rupees. So guys, what I'm doing first is I'm going ahead and doing a patch test using this color. In order to go ahead and do the coloring, I have to change my t-shirt, which I'll do again in a transition that we want to, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is I'll go ahead and turn my hair into a bun, which will be done. Okay, so this is the ponytail that I have done and this is the strand that I have left. So guys, I have applied the color and on the box it says that you have to leave it for 30 minutes. How my hair looks once it's like the color has been dried. Now I'll go ahead and wash it. Compare my old hair with this one. So it's the day 3 and I washed my hair yesterday, so I'll show you guys how my patch test looks now. So after hair wash, it's like faded off a little bit, but it looks nice. So the cousin who is coloring my hair is Joshi! So it has been 30 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and wash this off. And I'll show you guys how it looks now. So guys, I think I'll have to recolor it a little because there is a lot of brown still there. So I will do it, and this time when I'll be back, I will show you guys how it looks. So I just washed my hair after coloring it for the second time. I'll go ahead and style it and then I'll be back. So let's just do that in a transition. So it'll be... So this is how my hair has turned out, guys. I love the way it looks. I never thought it looked this good. Little close-up shot of my hair. So guys, because the hair turned out so good, I will be rolling the clip that I have shot under the sunlight. So we'll be doing it now. Transformation, please go ahead and hit the like button. You can also share and comment on the video. All the links to my social media will be given in the description box below, and the information about the hair color and all of that, so please go ahead and check that out, and I will see you in the next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.